Hello everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. A strong earthquake of 3.3 magnitude felt in Japan. Depth of this earthquake is 14.1 km. Nearest volcano is Hagi, which is 23 km away from epicenter. And this earthquake felt on March 15, 2022. Local time is 3:02 p.m. Weather at epicenter at time of quake: few clouds, 12.1 degrees centigrade. Humidity is 69% and wind is 5 meters per second from northeast. Primary data source is NIED, National Research Institute of Earth Science and Disaster Resilience. Estimated released energy from this quake is 1.56 megawatt hours. Thanks for watching.